This is class 5, subject science, unit number 5, lecture number 19. Page of the book is 66 and topic is exercise of unit 5. Here is summary of the lesson. For the sake of revision, the force which slows down and stops the thing from moving is called friction. वो फोर्स जो किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की मोशन को रोकती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रिक्शन. द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन एनी टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. Gravitational force is the force that is present between any two objects. Number 3, lever is a simple machine which turns about a fixed point. There are 3 kinds of levers based on relative positions of load L, effort E and fulcrum F. Scissors, pliers and claw hammer etc. are the examples of first kind of lever. Scissor, canchi, pliers, claw hammer are the examples of first kind of lever. Bottle opener, nut cracker and wheelbarrows are the examples of second kind of lever. Broom, fishing rod and human arm are examples of third kind of lever. Here is another activity. Here MCQs are given for each statements. Encircle the correct option. Options are given for each statement and you are to encircle the correct option. First statement is friction produces heat. Options are A, part heat, B, cooling, C, motion and fourth, roughness. Correct option is A, that is heat. It has been encircled. Number 2, which of the following is not a way to reduce friction? A, part use of lubricant, B, smoothing the rubbing surfaces, C, increasing roughness of the surfaces, D, changing the sliding friction to rolling friction. Its correct option is C, that is increasing roughness of the surfaces. Third statement, which of the following is not a simple machine? A option, bicycle, B, screwdriver, C, wheel, D option is wedge. Its correct option is bicycle. Fourth one, simple machine is a tool that gives energy to other machines. B option does only one job. C, makes the work easier. D, made of many small parts. Its correct option is makes the work easier. Fifth point, the point about which a lever turns is called A, effort, B, part load, C, fulcrum and D, weight. The correct option is fulcrum, that is C option, fulcrum. Sixth part, wheelbarrow is an example of the lever of first kind, A option, first kind, B option, second kind, third, C option, B option, third kind, D option, both first and second kind. Its correct option is C, that is second kind. Second kind. Seventh part is which of the following is an example of second kind of lever? Options are scissors. A option is scissor, B option is bottle opener, C option is fishing rod and D option is pliers. Its correct option is bottle opener. Here is another activity. 5.2, it says classify the kind of lever. On one hand, names of machine are given. In the mid figure of each machine is given and here you have to give the kind of lever. First, fishing rod. Fishing rod is the third kind of lever. Fishing rod is the third kind of lever. Next is the figure of human arm. It is also the third kind of lever. Next, fodder machine. It is the first kind of lever. Bottle opener, it is second kind of lever. Next is stapler. Stapler is the second kind of lever. Here is hand pump. It is the first kind of lever. It is the first kind of lever. Next is claw hammer. It is also the first kind of lever. In the last figure you see a shovel. Shovel is the third kind of lever. This is all about the unit number 5 and its exercise.